I was gonna ask you a question. Where can I find Turkish football shirt? I don't know. What do you think, guys? I think this is a perfect fit. Assalamualaikum guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Good evening guys. So basically there's a bazaar called Oreo Bazaar and Sultan Bazaar. It's right in front of the resort. There's another bazaar called Sultan Bazaar, so I want to go and check Sultan Bazaar out as well. Hopefully I'll find it. Shall I wait? Go. Shall I wait? Oh, let's go. So you got the Turkish ice cream. Let's see. Nice. Abe, how are you?
Good, you?
Good. I'm good. I'll come back after.
Okay.
After, yeah. They got all these toys, laser guns, whatnot. And this is a car rental place, guys. So yeah, if you wanna go and rent your car. They got tattoos, guys. So if you wanna get tattoos done, go ahead. But you know us, yeah, we're not about this tattoo life. So yeah. Okay, so this is the bazaar, but I can't see no clothes. They got all the Turkish delights here. You can see. Nice. Hello, how are you? Okay? Alhamdulillah. Okay, let's go and check. Oh my god, look at that. Wasn't expecting this. Okay, they got some stuff here. Guys, I also forgot to mention I'm looking for a Turkish football t-shirt. I was gonna ask you a question. Where can I find Turkish football shirt? They got shoes. You got boxers, jumpers, tracksuits. Oh, this is what I need. I need something like this, but I need a bit plain. I don't mind the Nike, but a little plain thing. Hello, how much is this? Euro, yeah, why not?
15 euro.
15 euro is a good one, this one, yes, okay.
And this last normal 25 euro.
Okay, can I check this one?
Which size?
Size medium maybe?
This medium. This good in this one today in this stretching. This open.
Stretches, yeah, this is what I need.
Yes.
Let me show you this changing room, guys, look. Small little corner. Got a water machine in here. Small little corner. Very tight. I'll take this one as well.
885.
Yeah, no problem. What's your name?
Leila.
Layla. Nice to meet you, Layla. Thank you very much, Layla.
You're welcome.
You take
Thank
care,
you.
yeah?
Bye.
Teşekkürler. Okay, oh look, so this is the football jersey, football t-shirt that I can get. So let's see what they have here. Assalamu alaikum, Abe.
Alaikum salam, brother.
How are you? Okay?
I'm okay, thank you.
Abe, do you have a football jersey for Turkish team? How much is one now?
In lira, euro, pound.
Lira.
In lira is 450 lira for one.
And how much is that in pounds?
About 13.
13 pounds.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Can I try?
Of course.
I don't know. What do you think, guys? I think this is a perfect fit. Yeah, not bad. I like it. Sure, Arabi. I didn't know you were from Syria. The brother's from Syria, guys.
Thank
so he's got his business here. This is your business?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so he's got his business here.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Anyway, Jazakallah khair.
Thank you,
Shukran,
brother. Nice to
Habibi.
meet you.
Okay.
Have a good all day.
Salam alaikum.
See you.
Okay, that's that. They got shops, they got shoes, sandals. Hello, Abe.
Hello, Abi.
How are you? Okay?
Good. You?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Where are you from?
Me? Where do you think I'm from?
You're from Pakistan,
Pakistan?
I think. I don't know.
What? Where I'm living or my origin?
Your origin.
Original, I'm Bangladeshi.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I born and bred in UK.
Oh, UK, yeah?
Yeah,
It's
London.
your first time here?
First time in Antalya, yeah. Jewelry here, perfumes inside. And yeah, you know, every shop I pass with a camera, they want me to show the shop. Why not? Good business. And they have more stuff here. They got kids stuff here as well. Oh look, they got a lot of kids stuff here. Hello Abe, you okay? They got more shoes, shops, but I pretty much got everything I needed anyway. Hello. Hello. People are very friendly here. And here is another shop. Here's another sports shop. This bazaar is quite long. Got lots of stuff to see here. Kids. They got more sports stuff. Hello. Not bad, not bad. They got lots of stuff here. Oh, they got another side over there. Oh my god. So. Hello, Abi. Salam alaikum.
Selam alaikum. Hacı abi. Elhamdülillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Merhaba abi, nasılsın?
Merhaba.
I love you. Bir foto çekiyor.
No video. YouTube.
Çekiyor.
YouTube.
Okay, tamam buyurun.
Are you say? Okay.
Ya look abi.
Okay.
Haydi bakalım.
Quick looky guys.
Haydi bakalım.
I'm saying looky. This is exit to another part. But guys, there's so much to choose from here, yeah? It's unbelievable. Got another shop here. Jackets. Oh, they got leather jackets here. Nice. Leather. Check inside? Okay. Okay. Leather?
Leather, hepsi leather.
Yeah, smells of. Whew, strong leather. You can smell the leather in here. Very strong.
Beni de çek ama.
Video? Yeah, I'll video you. No problem, Abe. What's your name?
Cemil.
Jamil. MashaAllah. Very beautiful name. Very beautiful name. Nice. The smell of this leather is very strong. It's overpowering my nose. Pardon?
Nescafe içer misin? Kofe.
No, thank you.
Tamam.
Thank you. Teşekkürler.
Tamam.
And yeah, this is a never-ending shopping center. Quite a lot of stuff, guys. But this is what you will find in Turkey, Antalya. Let's see what's here. Got more Turkish delights. Then you've got all the spices. You've got kids' football shirts, more clothes. Guys, this shopping center is dominated with clothes. Like so much clothes. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's good quality actually. Very good quality. Bag shop. They got plenty of bag shops. To another shopping center called Sultan Bazaar. So I want to go and check the other supermarket. Getting really hot. Really hot. Hello, Abe. Come spend some money, guys. Yeah. That's what the tactic. So the tactic is now. Spend your hard-earned dollars in Turkey. That's the motive. And that's it, guys. That's this bazaar. Let me quickly show you. Lots of people. That's Delphin place. It's Delphin Imperial. And that is the bazaar, guys. So you got 3 lanes. So you got 1 lane here. You got another lane there. And you got the lane that I went through. Hustle and bustle of this other market. You got I think you can hire these little scooters where you can ride your family. This guy's got here. It's kind of nice. Oh look, what's this? So they got a little place, steakhouse. Oh, okay, nice. Got outdoor steakhouse. I must say, in Antalya, there are a lot of British people visiting. I've come across a lot of people from the UK today actually, so yeah. Okay, so let's go to the other bazaar. And I think that's, the other bazaar is on the other side actually. So they've got another leather shop here. Nice. Oh, look at that massage machine. I could do with a massage right now. But I need to get myself a drink. I am so thirsty. Look at me. I'm sweating, guys, so badly. There's the policia. More stuff over there, but I want to go and check this bazaar out here. Sultan Bazaar. Shave? Beard shave?
Design clean.
Thing is, I don't shave my beard.
Yes.
No.
Maybe keratin.
What's that?
Keratin.
What's keratin?
Keratin. Old line. Keratin.
Oh, line.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, you. You keratin. Fern.
Oh, you're gonna trim.
No, keratin.
What's keratin, bro? Gentleman, show me what keratin is on a YouTube video. Straighten my beard. Oh, okay. Abe, how much is it? Tell me.
For you 30.
30 what?
30 pound.
30 pounds?
Yes.
How much is lira?
110 lira.
110. 110 lira.
Yes.
No,
No, 1,010 lira.
I was gonna say yeah, 100. Yeah. Why not?
1,010.
Okay.
1 day is not washing. Pool, swimming, water. Okay, only 1 day.
1 day no wash. Okay, let's go. He's gonna show me. It's in Sultan Bazaar.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, Spain, look at this.
Come on,
VIP.
baby.
We got the VIP service.
baby.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
So he's giving me a nice little tour of Sultan Bazaar. I'm gonna go and check it out and see. It costs 30 euros, guys. It's a bit expensive, but you know, I'm just here for the experience. So you ain't got horn? Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. Whoa. You crazy driver?
No.
I'm joking, you're a good driver, man. Wow, look at the bazaar. We didn't even get to see the bazaar. YouTube, Abe. How are you?
Where are you from?
I am from London.
London?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you. What's
Hello,
your shop
London.
called? This is the shop.
Here, Turkey, Antalya.
Antalya, Turkey,
Yeah.
guys. This is the shop. Nice.
Yeşil masaj parası yapmadın mı?
No, Baba. No, it's good. I'm good. I'm okay. Just beard shape. No. I'm good. Guys, here goes. Yeah, keratin.
Okay.
Here goes nothing, guys. Listen, I was just going to Sultan Bazaar. This guy pulled me in. Let's give it a go. See how this goes. So he puts towel around my neck. Here?
No.
Oh, he washed my beard.
You Albanish?
Albani?
Yeah.
No.
Morocco?
No. Do I look Moroccan?
Yeah.
What? Are you Turkish? You Turkish, yeah?
Yeah, Turkish.
I'm Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi, but I live in UK, London. Kind of refreshing, to be honest. Show you what they're doing, guys. I'm gonna have to close my eyes because that stuff is really strong, guys. So I'm not sure what this does, but it's doing something, I guess. Some of that stuff they're using, guys, is abstract. So yeah, this whole procedure, guys, is about 20 minutes. So yeah, let's see the finished results. Guys, here comes out. Abe, you use this on me? Yeah, this one? Yeah. I think, yeah, it is for me. Alright, cool. So the mask come off. Oh, so stiff there, guys, yeah. Nearly done, guys. Look how straight the beard is. You can't get straighter than that, guys, trust me. Just to let you know, for the record, I have never done this in my life. Guys, I think that's it.
Wax, gel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Make it look nice, because you know I got a haircut before I came here anyway. Save this haircut for another video, guys. So yeah. Perfect. Yeah, excellent. So that's it. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Very nice, bro.
Wow.
Very nice.
Look how straight the beard is. Oh my god. So straight, guys. Like a hedgehog. Nice. Thank you, Abe. Thank you very much. Thank you. Boss, take care, yeah?
You are tomorrow.
Yeah.
I am waiting tomorrow, bro.
Okay, I'll see you
Maybe
tomorrow.
afternoon coming, afternoon.
Okay. Thank you. I don't know if I should continue this video because this video is going to be quite long anyway. I might have to come back to this Sultan Bazaar and check it out next time. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you lot on the next one. Peace out.